An ex formerly Twitter account belonging to EcoCash appeared to have been compromised on Thursday after unauthorized posts appeared to the platform, including explicit content and messages allegedly published by the individual claiming responsibility of the breach. Sarabina Mashko Blachin's EcoCash X account compromised. And was subscribe or like on the bio. The person behind the post claimed to have gained access to the account to expose what he described as a weakness in the EcoCash security system. In the messages, the individual alleged that he had lost $35 through the platform and had been denied a refund, prompting him to target the company's social media account. At the time of publication, EcoCash had not publicly commented on the incident or confirmed whether the account had been hacked. The incident quickly attracted attention on social media, where users expressed concern about the security of one of Zimbabwe's largest mobile money platforms. Others questioned whether the breach was limited to the country's social media account or indicated a broader cybersecurity vulnerability. EcoCash is Zimbabwe's largest mobile money service and processes millions of transactions every month. Since its launch in 2011, the platform has become a key component of the country's digital payment ecosystem, particularly during periods when cash shortages pushed consumers and businesses towards electronic transactions. Over the years, however, the platform has also faced criticism from some users over service disruption, transaction delays, failed payments, account access problems, and customer service complaints. EcoCash has reportedly stated that it continuously upgrades its system to improve reliability and security while complying with the regulatory requirements. Ndoma developments ari kubuda panguva ino panhauzi kuEcoCash. Vinayo kuma section medu zafundo A moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.